Welcome to Innovative Tech, your gateway to the latest and greatest in cutting-edge gear. Get ready to dive into a world of groundbreaking power tools that are transforming the market. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, we've got the insights you need. Let's jump into the video and explore these ingenious tools. The PROXXON 39810 cordless belt sander is designed for those who demand precision without sacrificing performance. Its 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery delivers efficient power, while the continuously variable speed control allows you to adapt to any project with ease. The balanced DC motor ensures that this tool operates quietly, which means your focus stays on the task, not the noise. Durability is woven into its core with a die-cast aluminum gearhead and glass fiber reinforced polyamide housing, making it a reliable companion for any job. With the inclusion of two sanding belt grits, 80 and 180, along with a practical storage case, it's equipped to handle everything from delicate indoor refinements to rugged outdoor projects. The GIRAFFE tool's retractable garden hose reel takes the hassle out of garden hose management with its effortless auto-retract system designed to coil your hose smoothly and prevent annoying tangles. Its shift lock mechanism offers a smart touch, allowing you to secure the hose at your preferred length, which gives you the flexibility to water as far or as close as needed. This reel goes a step further with its 80-degree rotating wall mount, which not only saves space, but also provides a wide range of movement. Topped off with a versatile 9-pattern spray nozzle, it's built to handle every watering task, from delicate misting to intense cleaning, ensuring a streamlined and organized approach to garden upkeep. The GREENWORKS 80 volts, 800 CFM dual-port backpack blower stands out with its unmatched power and precision, designed for the most demanding yard tasks. With a robust brushless motor, it pushes up to 800 cubic feet of air per minute, combining high-volume airflow with an impressive 200 mph airspeed to clear both wet and dry debris. Its dual-port system not only accommodates two 5-Ah batteries, but ensures up to 80 minutes of continuous runtime, keeping interruptions to a minimum. Enhanced by its ergonomic build and cruise control, it delivers user comfort while maintaining consistent power, making long sessions easier and more efficient from start to finish. The KREG KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip is a tool that brings efficiency to pocket hole joinery by seamlessly combining two essential functions in one compact design. With its double-ended insert housed in a quick-release system, this tool allows you to switch between drilling pilot holes and driving screws without any hassle. The precision-crafted pilot hole and counterbore on one end, paired with the number 2 square drive bit on the other, ensure that every joint is strong and reliable. Its ergonomic design not only makes the tool comfortable to hold, but also maximizes control, making it perfect for both small projects like false fronts and more complex tasks, such as face joining corners. The KREG KDRV-FLIP Quick Flip is engineered to streamline your woodworking process, enhancing both productivity and craftsmanship from start to finish. The WORX 20-volt JAWSAW cordless chainsaw brings innovation and safety to yard maintenance with its versatile design, powered by a reliable 20-volt max lithium battery. This cordless chainsaw eliminates the need for messy gas or restrictive cords, giving users the freedom to tackle pruning and trimming with ease. Equipped with auto-tensioning technology, it ensures the chain remains at peak performance, while the automatic oiler keeps the blade well lubricated for smooth cuts. The protective housing enables safe use even on the ground, providing added security during operation. Lightweight and efficient, it's the ultimate tool for convenient outdoor tasks that require both precision and power. The JES M26S high-thrust caulk and adhesive gun stands out for its impressive 26:1 thrust ratio, ensuring effortless control over even the thickest materials in challenging conditions. Whether you're working in cold environments or applying heavy-duty adhesives, this tool's robust metal build delivers reliability and durability. The 360-degree rotating cradle barrel allows smooth maneuverability in cramped spaces, making precision a breeze, while the built-in puncture pin and ladder hook enhance convenience on the job. Designed for demanding tasks, it balances power with refined control, ensuring your caulking and adhesive projects are handled with efficiency and finesse. The DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60-volt max string trimmer stands out with its ability to tackle the thickest overgrowth while keeping performance smooth and reliable. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, this trimmer optimizes runtime and extends the life of its components, ensuring it works as hard as you do. The gear drive design adds another layer of power, making even the most challenging patches of grass manageable. Its 15-inch cutting swath paired with a 0.082-inch line delivers precision while maintaining flexibility for thicker jobs with a 0.095-inch line. With a variable speed trigger and high-low speed control, you can easily switch between conserving battery life or unleashing maximum power. This tool's lightweight, ergonomic build ensures comfort, so every use feels effortless from start to finish, making lawn care less of a chore and more of a streamlined experience. The ARROWMAX 4-speed mini electric drill blends compact efficiency with cutting-edge precision, making it a standout choice for intricate craftsmanship. With its adjustable 4-speed motor that ranges from 400 to 700 RPM, this drill adapts seamlessly to different materials, giving users the finesse needed for delicate projects like jewelry making or detailed woodworking. Its 500 mAh LiPo battery provides extended runtime, while the OLED display offers real-time updates on battery life, ensuring uninterrupted focus. 4 built-in LED lights add clarity to tight spaces, and the ergonomic design guarantees comfort, allowing you to work efficiently from start to finish on detailed tasks without strain. The ACORN Picker Upper Roller Nut Gatherer with Foot brings innovation and ease to the task of gathering acorns and other small nuts. Its rolling basket design is engineered to capture nuts efficiently, saving you from repetitive bending and manual collection. Built with durable materials, this tool withstands frequent use, whether in a residential backyard or on larger commercial properties. The real convenience comes with the integrated foot pedal, which lets you operate the roller hands-free, streamlining the process while keeping it frustration-free. From its sturdy frame to its user-friendly foot pedal, this nut gatherer merges simplicity with smart design for seamless operation from start to finish. The WORX 4V electric screwdriver brings a blend of simplicity and versatility to your daily tasks, offering 3 torque settings that allow for precise control, whether you're handling delicate hardware or tackling more demanding jobs. Its USB-C charging capability ensures you're never left hunting for specialized chargers, and the dual LED lights make sure even those hard-to-reach spots are illuminated. This screwdriver's ergonomic, soft grip handle ensures long-lasting comfort, and with 12 included accessory bits, it transforms mundane projects, like assembling furniture, grills, or toys, into an effortless experience from start to finish. The DONGCHENG 40-volt cordless leaf blower delivers impressive airflow with its 650 CFM capability, allowing you to effortlessly tackle debris ranging from leaves to small rocks with ease. Powered by 2 4.0-hour batteries, this tool offers an exceptional runtime of up to 150 minutes on lower speeds, ensuring that even larger jobs can be completed without constant recharges. When more power is required, its turbo mode provides 10 minutes of high-speed operation at a blazing 140 mph, all while the brushless motor guarantees quieter performance and less frequent maintenance. The adjustable speed settings, paired with a comfortable shoulder strap, offer users both flexibility and ease, ensuring the blower feels as efficient in your hands as it is powerful in performance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest power tools and outdoor tech gadgets. See you in the next one.